Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to free up RAM memory in iOS 14, 14.2 or 14.3 on iPhone 6 to iPhone 12. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. We start with older method. If you have iPhone with or without home button, first launch settings, then tap accessibility and tap touch and tap assistive touch and enable assistive touch. Now go back to settings, tap general and tap shutdown. Now tap on assistive touch, tap and hold home button. Put your iPhone passcode and it will take you to iPhone home screen, and this method also clear RAM memory. But this is very old method. Now we go for second one. Go to App Store, connect to Wi-Fi and search for CPU X. Download this application. I already downloaded it. Tap open. Now tap on memory and tap free up. This process will clear up RAM memory of your iPhone in any device. Successfully freed up 297.38 MB. That's it. Friends, hopefully you found this video helpful. Please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.